Hello and welcome to Lauren's English Corner. Today is a beginner lesson on intonation. We're going to look at intonation in questions. There are 3 different ways we use intonation when asking questions in English. First, if we're looking at a question where the answer is yes or no, then our voice goes up at the end of the question. For example, are you married? Or do you like chocolate? Or are you okay? So in all of those questions, the intonation goes up at the end, and that is because the answer is yes or no. However, if you're asking a question which could have multiple answers, like the work questions, then the first part of the question becomes the most important part, and that's why we stress the beginning. The end of the question could be exactly the same. For example, you could ask, when do you study? Where do you study? Why do you study? What do you study? How do you study? As you can see, the end of all of those questions was exactly the same. So the stress, the intonation, is at the beginning, so you can highlight the important part of the sentence. So any question that has multiple answers, the stress is at the beginning. What's your name? Where do you live? What's your favourite colour? Now, the last one, the third one, is for when there is a choice, maybe 2 or 3 choices. In this case, we go up and then down. So for example, would you like tea or coffee? Are you going left or are you going right? Would you like apple, orange or pineapple juice? So we go up and down. So those are the 3 different ways to use intonation in questions. So if it's a yes, no answer, we go up at the end. Are you okay? Are you married? But if it is a work question or any question that has multiple answers, lots of different answers, then we go up at the beginning. We stress the first part. How are you? Where do you come from? What's your name? And if it is 2 choices, then we go up and down. Would you like tea or coffee? Are you coming or going? Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to comment, like and subscribe.